Are you the battalion chief?
Yes, sir.
I'm from News Now, North Carolina. Could you tell us what happened here, the call that you guys responded to?
We just had a small problem with the HVAC system is all.
Anybody hurt or anything?
No, nobody hurt, nobody injured, nobody anything.
What time were you guys dispatched toned out for this?
Probably around 8 o'clock.
All right. When will the report be available?
Later today.
Later today, probably after 5?
Maybe before then.
Okay.
Just as soon as the officer here can get it done.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Chief. Appreciate it.